What's up, traders? Feeling stuck in trading purgatory? Spins on the chart making you dizzy? Well, buckle up because we're about to level up your game, faster than a one-armed bandit hitting the jackpot. Forget boring indicators with names longer than a tax form. Today, we're diving into the world of the purple clown indicator on Tradingview. Yes, you heard that right, a purple clown. It might sound wacky, but this little guy packs a punch when it comes to spotting potential trades. Head on over to Tradingview, fire up that chart, and navigate to the indicator section. Don't worry, it's easier than finding a decent meme stock these days. Once you're there, type in purple clown, add it to your chart. But before customizing the indicator, one important thing. Feeling overwhelmed by market news? Fastbull can be a helpful resource. They provide real-time news updates, so you can stay on top of what's moving the markets. If you're new to trading and unsure about how market news will affect prices, Fastbull has you covered. Their website provides real-time news updates, giving you a 5-second head start on market reactions. And the best thing is that you will get it for free. Fastbull also offers an economic calendar, allowing you to anticipate the impact of upcoming events. This information is invaluable for traders, empowering them to make informed decisions based on market sentiment. Whether you're a novice trader or struggling to turn a profit, Fastbull's AI signals can be a game changer. Their track record transparently displays weekly profits and losses, providing insight into their performance. Link in the description, visit it once. Now let's customize the indicator setting. Now, let's talk about the purple clown's secret language. It uses two colors straight out of a video game, green and red, just like Destiny. For those who don't know Destiny, you can say like traffic lights. Now let's add a second indicator, EMA difference histogram. Now let's customize the second indicator. These colored bars appear above and below a zero line. Think of it as a thumbs up, green, or thumbs down, red, for potential trades. Here's an example. We see a sell signal appear, but then the red histogram buddy is chilling under the zero line. In the next part, we'll add another layer of security with a special guest, the smooth moving average indicator. It'll help us understand the overall market trend and filter out even more misleading signals. Stay tuned. The smooth moving average is like our personal market trend compass. Now let's customize the third indicator. If the market is cruising above this line, it suggests an uptrend. In this case, we want to be cautious about any buy signals from the purple clown because the market might be heading down anyway. It's like the purple clown is whispering sweet nothings in our ear, but our compass is telling a different story. Conversely, if the market is chilling below the trend line, we'll want to ignore any sell signals. We don't want to be fooled by the purple clown if the overall trend suggests prices might actually go up. Think of it as the purple clown waving a red flag, but the market is giving us a big green light. Alright, so before you jump in and buy or sell based on the purple clown signals, we need to consider three key things. First, the trigger. We need an initial green or red bar signal from the purple clown. Second, the trend confirmation. The price needs to be above the smooth moving average line, showing an uptrend for buys and a downtrend for sells. Third, the histogram. The histogram needs to be green and above the zero line to confirm a buy signal, or red and below zero for a sell signal. Think of it like a three-way handshake. If all three factors align, then the purple clown's signal is confirmed, and you might have a good trade on your hands. But remember, even with these filters, there's always risk in trading. Let's talk about protecting your hard-earned cash. Wink, once you enter a trade, always place a stop-loss order just below the most recent swing low for a buy trade, or above the most recent swing high for a sell trade. This helps limit your potential losses if the trade goes against you. And when it comes to getting out of a trade, consider using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This means aiming to profit at least 1.5 times the amount you're willing to risk. Basically, you want to make more money than you lose, right? Alright, so you've mastered the art of buying with the purple clown, but what about selling? Buckle up, because the process is similar but flipped. Wink, first, we need a red bar signal from the purple clown, hinting at a possible sell. Second, the trend confirmation. The price needs to be below the smooth moving average line, indicating a downtrend. Third, the histogram. The histogram needs to be red and below the zero line to confirm a sell signal. Remember, all three factors need to be on board for a confirmed sell signal. Once you enter a sell trade, don't forget about your stop-loss order. Place it just above the most recent swing high to limit potential losses if the price starts defying expectations and shoots up. And finally, consider using a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio when exiting your sell trades. This means aiming to profit at least 1.5 times the amount you're willing to risk. There you have it. With these steps, you can trade alongside the purple clown with a little more confidence. Now let's see the backtest. While past results aren't a guarantee of future success, let's see what happened in a backtest. In this backtest, we used a good risk to reward ratio on your USD over a 3-month period on a 30-minute time frame, looking for 100 trade signals. We achieved a 72% win rate, which sounds promising. We also had losses, and the risk per trade was 4%. Remember, never risk more than you can afford to lose. A good practice is to start with a lower risk percentage, like 2%, as mentioned earlier. The maximum drawdown was 7%, which is manageable. The key takeaway here is to continuously learn and improve your strategy. And don't forget to visit the Fast Bull. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Let's all learn and grow together as traders.